Let's now have a look at the social media calendar within VirtusNova, where you will get an understanding of the different states that your posts can be in. We have different views of this, which we'll dive into right now. So generally, this is the section where you'll be able to distinguish between scheduled, published, failed, and draft posts. Let's start with the top section. We have the overview of the different post states. On the right-hand side, you can filter the different posts depending on, for example, the channel type, then go ahead and apply the filters. And then across all of these tabs, you will then only see the posts respective of these filters, which you can, of course, clear at any point in time. Furthermore, you can also sort by time, by post creation date, post category, which you have, for example, here, which is as per these categories, which we covered in a previous video, and so on and so forth. In this list view, you will be able to determine different aspects of your posts, whereas you will always be able to still edit a post, move a post to draft if it is, for example, in the scheduled tab, post it instantly, even delete it or duplicate it. The interesting matter here is that you will also be able to jump into edit mode and completely change the times at which this post was initially scheduled. You can also determine if you want to have this post repeat in future, which is something that we covered in the previous video. For now, let's just save the changes and speak about the calendar itself. There's a variation of this list view available as well, which is the individual calendar view, where you see the already scheduled posts on an individual day, where you can also very quickly kickstart a new post creation. You will also be able to select a specific day within that calendar and then see on an hour by hour basis when different posts go live. In addition to this, you also have a short and precise preview of things. You can then also decide to publish a post instantly, edit it, duplicate it, delete it, all the functionalities which we had before as well, or even jump into more detail here and see the caption a bit more broad, and then also look at the quality of your images, how things are looking. And if you're fine with how things are, then you can close this down and continue as usual.